we're at Hykeham Station level crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe and Adam. There we go, time is 10:24 on Friday the 3rd of April 2015. This is for our 10:22, 2 Tango 30 has been the train service from Grimsby Town to Newark Northgate, and we've got didn't. I'm right under it. Where is she? But this is a stopper, that's probably why. You're going to come back over here? Here she is. 153384. 153384 to Lake Newark, and up they go.
Oh god, that barrier is bad.
It's not, it's just the motor. Thank you guys, we'll see you in the next video.